You're looking at the contact us page, and it has a address and contact details, mobile number and email ID. And if we go to the footer of the online store, that's where again you will see there is a address and contact detail. Do you know how to change them? If not, no worries. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of changing or updating the address and contact details. Hi, my name is Adnan. I'm Director SME E-commerce Growth. And without wasting any more of your valuable time, let's start and let's understand the step-by-step process. As the first step, you have to log in and open the seller panel of your online store. So once the seller panel is open, then in the left navigation, you have to click on store settings. And after that, you have to click on store details. So in the left navigation, click on store settings and then on store details, which will open this page. And here you will see there are a number of horizontal options or tabs, and address is certainly there. But before we go to address, because this page is already open, let's understand about updating contact detail, which is your mobile number, and the email ID, which is displayed on the front end of your website. All right. So if you scroll down slightly, that's where you will see there's an option of store phone. So this number is displayed on the contact us page as well as the footer of your online store. However, you have an option to hide it. So if you scroll down further, this is where you have the option show mobile number. You can turn it off. So if it is turned off, then the mobile number is not displayed on the front end. And then you have the email ID. So this is the email ID and it is displayed on the front end. So if at any given point in time you have to change the mobile number or email ID, you can come here, you can update the sections and then just go and click on save and the changes will get updated. So this was about updating your contact details, your mobile and email ID. Now, if you have to update the address or make any change in the address, then you have to just click here. Again, the process is the same. So open the seller panel and then in the left navigation, click on store settings, store details. And here you have to click on the address tab. Now here you will see you have two lines of address. If you have a long address, you can add it in the second line as well, which is optional. And then you have to update the location. So for example, I want to update the location. So I can type in the address and the location is updated like this. So in the similar fashion, you have to just type in the address and then select an appropriate option and the location will get updated. You have to select the city from the drop down. Again, the process is the same. You have to start typing and select an appropriate options. Once you have selected that, then input the postal code and lastly click on save and the address will get updated. So this is how you are going to update the address as well as contact details on your online store. I hope you found the tutorial video informative. Still, if you have any question or if you are facing any challenge, please do feel free to reach out to our help desk. The contact details of our help desk are listed in the description of this video. Thank you.